What's the best training that you have ever followed? Keep on learning. At this moment, I'm in Colorado, US, Denver, and I'm here at this hotel to follow 4 days of inspiration with the NSA, the National Speakers Association. Here in the US, it's called Influence. 4 days where more than 1,000 people, all professional speakers, gather from all over the world. Most of them are from the US, to share insights and learn from each other. And I think it's super important that you keep on learning. It's an investment, but yeah, it's really worth it. And I go to 3 or 4 events a year like this all over the world to learn from the best. And a few days ago I got an email from somebody who asked me, what's the best training that you ever followed? And I would say that happened 20 years ago. I followed a training with Remco Klaassen, a guy from the Netherlands. 3-day training on 7 habits of effective people from Covey, and that really helped me shape my own life, shape my own path, and explore the things that I want to achieve. What's the best training that you have ever followed? Please leave it in the comments. Ciao, ciao!